Hello and welcome to another video. This is Nvidia chart, daily chart, and this is AMD chart. We want today compare this stock together. Okay, let's start with Nvidia. If you look at carefully this chart, you can see very clear Elliot wave here. Let me show you. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at this chart very carefully, you can see this Elliot wave here. Wave 3 is here, clear. This is our wave 3. Wave 1 is clear. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, wave 5. We don't know where is our end of wave 5 here, but if you look at this chart, you can see this is our wave 5, and wave 5 is not good for investing. Okay, let's see AMD chart here. We have a AMD chart here, daily chart, and if you look at this chart carefully, you can see this Elliot wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wave 1, wave 2, and both of these stocks are in wave 5. And let's see, look at wave 5 in lower time frame in AMD chart, and wave 5 subdivided 1, 2, 3. Maybe we have a wave 4 here, and 5. Both these stocks are in wave 5, and I think both are dangerous for investing. I can't say 100%, but this is technical analysis. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget like and subscribe.